Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing ESAAD and FAZAA discount cards in Dubai, and I'm going to be explaining which one offers more benefits. So if you live in the UAE and you want to save money on shopping, travel and daily expenses, this quick guide is going to help you understand the difference. So first of all, let's take a look at ESAAD card. So ESAAD is a discount and loyalty program started by Dubai Police. When you have this card, you can get special offers on many services such as shopping, restaurants, hotels, travel bookings, education, healthcare, and entertainment. Now, one of the biggest advantages of the ESAAD card is that it is going to give you access to a very large number of partner brands and services. Some of these offers are available not only in the UAE but also in another country. Because of this, ESAAD is often useful if you travel often or like premium lifestyle discounts. Now, let's talk about FAZA card. FAZA is another discount program created to support people that are living in the UAE. With this card, you can get discounts on the groceries, restaurants, shopping, travel, healthcare, entertainment, and other everyday services. FAZA focuses more on helping you reduce the daily living expenses. Many people use it for the regular activities like dining out, family entertainment, or shopping in the local stores. Now, the main question is which card offers more benefits? So in general, ESAAD usually has a larger network of the offers and more international deals, which can be helpful if you travel or if you use premium services. On the other hand, FAZA is very practical for everyday savings inside the UAE, especially for food, shopping, and family activities. So the better card really depends on how you plan to use the discounts. If you want more global and lifestyle offers, ESAAD may give you more options. But if you want regular savings on the daily expenses, FAZA can be useful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.